profit was 110,000.
100 grand?
$100,000.
At least $100,000.
I was like, wow.
Look at this couch. Old, used, and just dumped on the side of the road. Every day, people drive past it on their way to work, maybe going to a job they hate. If they only knew that this hidden gem could be their way out. We've seen a few pictures. If you live in a dense city, all around you, people are moving houses. In 2021, 2 million people moved per month in the USA. And for most, a move is an opportunity to start fresh. New home, new habits, new furniture. But there's a problem with new furniture. All this stuff, even the simplest couch, can run you thousands of dollars. And the more budget-friendly alternatives, like the Eplayard, Bakselin, or Soderhan, can still put a lot of people way over budget. So those that don't want to take out credit to furnish their home will do what Ryan did.
But we didn't have money. So in order to furnish the apartment, I ended up buying all the furniture on Craigslist.
And this is why the secondhand furniture market is so strong. But there's one type of furniture that outsells all the rest. I'm sure you can guess. Our beautiful couch. Now I'm gonna show you why this outsells everything else. But first, I gotta post it and see if we get any hits. And this process is called
couch flipping. Did a side hustle that got kind of famous on YouTube.
Flipping couches out of there.
Before I go to bed, I search up couches.
Let's try to do couch flipping.
This simple idea took off like wildfire, and the term couch flipping started to trend on Google. Good job, Ryan. But why couches? Why not tables or cabinets or rugs? Well, take a look at my first apartment. No bigger than a walk-in closet. And the first thing I got was a couch. It was also my bed, my dining chair, my workstation, so it was priority number one. And I'm not alone. When looking at first apartment essentials lists online, there are really only two large items that you'll find on every single one. Number one, a mattress. Number two, a couch. In Western culture, it's very rare to walk into someone's house and not see a couch. You'll even find them in the smallest bachelor suites, like my first place. It's versatile in its uses, and unlike a mattress, a used secondhand couch doesn't typically carry the stigma of being a repulsive petri dish of bugs and plague. But that's only half the picture. I just posted this a few minutes ago and I'm already buried by all these other free couches. So why don't people just pick up these cheap used couches themselves? How do flippers get so much business and make so much profit?
Right, absolutely. So I mean, if you look at the model of today's kind of inventory, right? Think Postmates, think Uber. Why would they pay somebody an extra $12 to go pick them up a burger when they could just get in the car and do it themselves? So what we do is any couch flipper offers the service of, we're going to show up to your house. We'll show up with the couch. We'll deliver it to you. We'll go in the house. We'll stage it for you. We'll put it in. Here you go. It's just the convenience factor, the ease of it.
The reason so many people are able to quit their jobs and do this full time is because couch flipping is a service, and often a two-way service. Let me explain. When someone wants to get rid of their old couch, just the idea of getting it out their door seems like a headache. That's why there's so many that end up on the side of the road. So service number one, the couch flipper will come to your house, haul it out, and probably pay you between $200 to $400. Now a good flipper will clean the couch, restore it, and make it feel brand new. Then, on the other side, when someone wants to buy a couch, if they don't have a truck or a friend or the strength, the task can seem impossible. So instead of turning to Reddit for an answer, they can find a couch flipper with free delivery and get the couch brought straight into their house, gladly paying $800 for their refreshed couch and eliminating their headache. Now everyone is happy and the couch flipper walks away with a cool $400 profit. Now wait a minute, that kind of seems like a lot of work for $400, doesn't it? There's gotta be a faster, online business, passive income model that's easier and better for your back. Well, I think there's one element that couch flipping has that makes it so magnetic. The reason it's been able to change so many lives.
One night I was watching YouTube. I was typing how to make money. Is there any way I could make money? And then I found your video. Literally the next day I started and I was able to find a couch. I think I got it for $70. I posted on OfferUp, and then the next day I sold it for $600.
Damn.
The next day I was like, wow, $600 in one day. First week, I was able to save up 7K my first week. Yes.
Made 7K your first week?
So right here are the most mentioned business models online. This is your profits and this is time in months. Couch flipping is the fastest to profit and the easiest to start. I haven't found anything that even comes close. That's legal. But keep this going and something interesting happens right about here. And every couch flipper I talked to noticed it.
I would love to like transition full time into just developing that software and then selling it. And then I want to go into real estate from there.
You know, I hope I could like somehow still own the business, but give it to somebody else.
Teaching people how to do it, that's kind of the direction I see it going.
I want to learn more about, Amazon FBA.
So why is it that everyone that's making a small fortune doing this are all looking for a way out? Scale and the ceiling over time. Running a business off of a used market can only take you so high. As Liam says,
They see this, I think, as a stepping stone. Let's say real estate. A lot of people love to watch real estate content on YouTube, and you need money to buy real estate. And they see, I want to get there, but I need a stepping stone. And so this is my stepping stone.
but like an old couch to be used temporarily to fill space and then be forgotten, if this side hustle is just a stepping stone to get onto something bigger, it's the most comfortable one that I know of. There's bugs. Now watch this video to see what happened when I tried couch flipping for 30 days. The results might surprise you. And a quick thank you to every couch flipper that participated in this video. Links to any of their YouTube channels and websites are in the description. Click this video now and I'll see you there.